I'm here again to cook for you. Today, I have prepared this two eggplant. This eggplant can be very delicious with minced meat, which I'm gonna marinate now. So this is our recipe for today. So join me. So first, I have to marinate this minced meat. I have to put this cooking oil to marinate. This is how I do this kind of recipe, and I have my sauce. This is a light soy, and I have a white ground pepper, and I have to add some corn flour. Then you may add a little bit more, but I I don't have now. Then you have to mix it, okay, to make the minced meat getting soft. So this is a marinade for just a few minutes, then you can do it. And I just add a little bit sesame oil, which make the minced meat have a good fragrance. So you have to mix it. Okay. Now I have to wash this eggplant. Some cook, they will peel the eggplant, but I think it is not necessary. With the eggplant, it's very soft, and just to cut it into a round slice like this. Look at this, it's very beautiful and soft. Now while we are cutting, let me switch on, and we have to cut into this slice, round slice. Then before the eggplant turn brown, we have to put a little bit salt on it to hold the color the same. Okay, now we can start to pour all the eggplant. So you have to turn it then. So look at this, it's very beautiful, and it's waiting for enough. So if you want to cook well done with this, you just continue it and you can take it out when everything done. So I have to prepare a cloves of garlic, and you must get the fresh garlic so that you have a very nice and flavor. Okay, and we do a different one, not waste time. So, and when I'm cooking, I don't need to prepare before I start cooking at the same time. So look at this, very, very beautiful. And you have to be patient, to cook side by side. Look at this now, it's so beautiful and everything is cooked well done. So we have to lower the heat, then we can take it out. Okay, so let it like that. Okay, look at this. Now I have to reduce a little bit oil and first I have to put this garlic, and I have to cut some half. So now you have to higher a little bit heat, and of course you have to add the onion ring, then mix it. So then you don't need to wait until the garlic too dark, and I have to add this minced meat. Okay, I don't need to put that too much, which it is not necessary to put all, and I don't like to eat too much meat on it. So look at this. Now I want to put my special ingredients. My special ingredients all times good for my foods, which make the aroma so delicious and good. So while the meat is still inside the cooking frying pan, you have to add some black pepper, already added. Now you have to mix the onion ring and the fragrance. It tastes and it smells delicious. Spring onion, you have to cut it, but I need to lower that. Okay. In my recipe, eggplant recipe, I have a lot of ingredients into it. Now you have to cook a little bit more. Now I have to add a little bit soy on it. Just a little bit. If you want a dry eggplant, you just don't need to put too much sauce, but of course I have to add this oyster sauce. Just go straight with your oyster sauce. As you can see, now it's mixing up into the minced meat, and I don't need to add too much salt, which the oyster sauce and soy, the combination is good for this kind of recipe. Now we can add the eggplant. Like this. And actually this one is cooked well done. Then we have to add some spring onion. You cook them well. Still the oil you can separate the oil into the eggplant. So look at this. So you don't need the oil on it. So we have to take it out and slowly put into the plate. Now I have to cut this citrus. This is a calamansi. Then you have to squeeze into the eggplant so that you have an eggplant stick for today. So additional for the spring onion, just to put at the top. Then we have a very beautiful dish. And thanks for watching, and see you again next video. Hope you like it. Bye.